Hey y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today is Craftmas episode 19, and we have a super fun one for you today. Now what we're going to be working with is we're going to learn how to water marble a ceramic cup. Now what you're going to need for this tutorial is you're going to need your ceramic cup. This came from Macy's. I bought a bunch of them really super cheap. You're also going to need your water marble paint. These came from Texas Art Supply, but you can order a set of these for like 15 bucks off of Amazon. You're going to need cold water, a container to be able to dip into, a brush or some type of wooden pick to be able to make your designs in the marbling, as well as water and your parchment sheet. Now if you'll give me a moment, I'll get the camera angle changed so you can see everything that we are going to do. Okay, so we've got our water set up, and as you can see there's old paint on this container. So first thing you want to do is you want to make sure your paint is really well shaken up before you start, because that is important. And this is almost like fingernail polish. You could use fingernail polish if you wanted to. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some drops of color. There's some yellow. There's some green. Ooh. I'm making a mess. Okay, blue. Red. Black. In these water marbling kits, you can get the paint, I know for sure, off of Amazon for about 15 bucks, so it's nothing super expensive. Okay, so I had to grab a paper towel to clean off my hands a little bit. So now what you do is you take a toothpick or some type of pick or the end of a paintbrush, whatever you want to use. And what we're doing is just kind of making a tie-dye design. Okay, set that to the side. Make sure. Okay, now I'm going to take and hold this as steady as I can and dip this straight down into the solution. Now once that's done, you take and just blow the excess paint away. Okay, so now all of our paint is moved, and I blew it into the cup a little bit. Oh, there was where I didn't have a lot of paint. But as you can see, look how cool that turned out. Now once this is dry, you can apply vinyl to it, do whatever you want, but it's quick and easy and cheap. I love how this project turned out. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you hit the subscribe button right down there, that will notify you when we post new videos, which through Craftmas, there's a new one every single day of the week, all the way through December the 21st. Check us out on all of our social medias, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, my second channel, which is Betsy XOXO. That's where I do all my crafting for Disney videos every single Friday. Other than that, I think that's it, so we'll see y'all next time. Bye!